Hello, my friends.
Let's pack your bags, let's sail away to the land of opportunity. Richard Hart has changed the game. He raised the bar, now DeFi will never be the same. I went to captain and we're making it happen. No one's ever stopping this community. We got the fire, we got the flame, and no one ever's gonna stand in our way. The haters are gonna hate as the cruise ship pulls away. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. We're crashing all the parties and we're driving Maseratis. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. Roads paved with gold, truth be told, they're changing lives. Hex 55, 55, I stake that hex to stay alive. G3, the captain chilling with the Blacksheep, we rapping and packing our bags. We're blessed to wake up every day, cause we're on the Pulsechain. I'm with the captain and we're making it happen. No one's ever stopping this community. We got the fire, we got the flame, and no one ever's gonna stand in our way. In Mexico, the haters are gonna hate as the cruise ship pulls away. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. We're crashing all the parties and we're driving Maseratis. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. Had to join cause you couldn't beat us. Now you got financial freedom. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. And the beat has gonna bang and we're all gonna be rich. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico.
What's up, DJs? What up? We got Will. We got Will out there. He's got the magic word. What up, man? Rockhead, yeah, Rockface. Oh, Cockface. We got Cockface too. Nice. What's going on? What's everybody doing? Holy shit. So, yeah, let's go ahead and update that shit. We got 9 people out there. What's up, man? What up? That dude wrote back to me today. I'm just waiting to go back again. So we should be good to go. Rock face. Yes, sir. Oh, there's Yeti. What up?
What's up, man? I got a notification from Twitter that you were live, and he's by himself.
Oh, nice.
So he's dropping all them dollars.
Yep. Dropping them dollars.
Just driving my ass home right now.
Oh, okay, cool. Right on.
Have a good Saturday.
What's that?
Have a good Saturday.
Yeah, I just been chilling, man.
Working like a slave today. No different.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I've been doing jack shit. All right, let's see who's going to win today. Let's see.
Uh-oh, retard alert.
Let's go.
Will's gonna win.
Exactly what you're looking there. You know
Yeah, boy.
Holy shit. Look who it is. What up? Are you up on a tower?
Oh shit! One.
Yeah, you just won too. What up?
Oh.
Oh god. What's going on? Are you up on a tower? What are you doing?
I'm
You're okay
zip
now. I didn't catch anything you said. But yeah, good to see you.
Yeah, he's
Good
up
to see you.
high. Was he an electrician?
He works on those radio towers.
Oh, okay.
TV fucking tower shits.
Like one of those crazy fucks that just goes and climbs and changes a light bulb like a mile in the sky.
Right. We have 125 tickets remaining, DJs. Let's get them sold out. Someone's gonna win $1,000. Maybe it's Will Stevenson.
That was a dope view he had, though.
All right. Let's see who's next. Who's next?
Cookies.
Yeah, boy.
Come on down. Mr. Romex. Mr. Romex. Here we go.
Would you climb up one of those towers?
What?
Would you climb up one of those towers?
Probably not. I mean, yeah, probably not. I wouldn't really have a reason to.
I mean, would you work for like 150 grand a year to fucking climb up something like that?
I don't know. We'll see how this bull run goes.
I don't think there's enough money in the world to make me climb up that. I'd bitch out.
Right. Oh shit.
As much as I would want to climb up that thing, I fucking would not be able to.
Yeah, I know that's an interesting thought. I mean, I used to fly helicopters, but that's just different.
That's different, dude. That's completely different.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to get I don't know, struck by lightning.
I worked at Home Depot at night stocking. I went up on those little rafts, just up like 4 little things, and it starts shaking a little bit. You start questioning everything, man. You're like, what the fuck am I doing? I don't know. I look at people injured every single day. I know how delicate we are. And fuck that.
Right.
I had this guy that worked with me. He used to be like one of those crane operators on top of like giant buildings.
Yeah.
And he was going up there one morning, and it was fucking all overcast, so everything was wet. And he slipped, and he fell down like 3 flights of the freaking ladder, broke his back, and all this stuff. Got lucky, man. I think he was like up on top of like a 40-story building on like a tall ass crane above the building.
Yeah, I'm
I
good.
found out I was afraid of heights.
I'll sit right here where it's safe. Shit's just creeping up. What is our 278,000 there? Holy shit. Where's E and J?
I don't know. That's what I was wondering. That's why I jumped in.
Yeah.
Probably eating that cherry
So our
limeade
GoPen,
gelato.
our GoPen's just trying to push. Just bloop, bloop, bloop. One big deposit, we go bloop. So that's pretty cool. All-time highs are always good, especially when we're at all-time lows. On yeah, Goat's fucking USD price is getting slaughtered thanks to Pulse.
It's all right.
Yeah, it'll come back. It'll come back quick too. Like literally, you wake up one day and it'll just be gone.
When Pulse goes up, it goes up, man.
Yeah, I think Pulse is getting really close to the bottom.
Yeah, it's just running sideways. It's not really going down that much. They already did the big down movement. I mean, if you got fresh capital, it's a good time to DCA back in.
It looks like Nodes is going to come on the stream. So we'll have some content.
No, he's gonna fucking chart up these charts.
But for now, we'll just
Put on that fucking doing the drug song thing with the little turtle dancing. That was awesome the other day. It is heavy sack.
How big is your sack? On Pulsechain. How big is your sack? Heavy sack, heavy sack. How big is your sack? On Pulsechain. How big is your sack? Heavy sack, heavy sack. I was looking for a change, something new, decentralized, either new. Stacking PLSs, liquidity on the decks. Somebody help me. My sack is so heavy. Get some Spark Swap, get the Dex Boss, get the GOAT token, Legion Protocol, get some P-Dye, get some P-Drip, get some Teddy Bear, get some P-Hex. You know we here for the 100X. With your heart, always with the Gucci bags. I asked you once, I asked you twice. How big is your sack? On Pulsechain. How big is your sack? Heavy sack, heavy sack. How big is your sack? On Pulsechain. How big is your sack?
What up?
Heavy sack.
What's going on, man?
What's up? T-minus 3 days until the baby is born.
What are you up to? You got some chart porn for us?
Sure. I just finished doing some chores.
Yeah, man. Well, a good day in the hood.
LUSD putting in an interesting candle here at the bottom of the range.
So people love free money, and they don't like the high fees. And this addresses all this, which is really cool. Could Pulse do the same?
Rap Bitcoin got fucking wrecked today, huh?
Yes, it could.
You want to share your screen?
Yeah,
What's that?
Likelihood of that event?
187.
I don't know.
187. Damn.
On the motherfucking cop.
There we go.
Yeah, another failed rally for Rap Bitcoin. I would still be bullish though, because the daily just crossed up. It's still producing positive momentum on the MACD oscillator. My only concern is that candle like that is not a that's not a good candle. They won't let this thing go up, dude. No volume on the break.
Oh shit. Yeah.
I think the high time frame is no good, right? The monthly, yeah, the monthly is not good on this.
Okay.
I mean, that's not a bad can. I mean, it's not the worst candle. This
Does it need to
candle.
go? Does it need to touch that last little high back there?
It might need to touch this high, yeah. 110 might happen.
If it does,
That
though,
might
buying
happen.
some.
If it does, I mean, to be fair, it touched top of the range. You know, this is your range though. Like, if this is rolling over, it might roll all the way back down. It could.
I think too many people are holding it.
That would be fucking shitty if that happened. All right. So the good thing is that it's holding the weekly 200 EMA. The bad thing is that it hasn't produced a higher high since April 8th. And yeah. I mean, this action can change tomorrow. Just boom, green candle. Like, I've seen it many, many times. Like the 3-day chart is telling you that it's in the buy zone. The 3-day, and like unless this just like gets rejected or something, which it can. I mean, almost every single time it comes down to these lows, these levels on the 3-day chart, it's usually the bottom of the move. Like almost every time. Yeah, I mean, like what? It made one more dip here, and then it ripped, and then it came down again and made another oscillation down, and then it came out, right? So like what? From here to about here. So it was like 2 months. But what's interesting here is that you dipped into the neutral territory on the RSI, on the RSI, and you got like, I would call this 3-day hidden bullish divergence on the 3-day RSI, and you got the same divergence here on the MACD. You got it. You see it? This price here is a higher price than here. I would say the only difference about this action on the 3-day chart is that you are below the 3-day 200-day moving average. So that is of concern. And if you close a candle like that, oof, that's not a good candle. That's not a good candle, sir.
Oh, we lose sheep?
I think so. Yeah, I don't know. Pulsechain sucks right now. Everything sucks on it.
Yeah. Internet's being gay. Oh yeah, ton. I've been seeing ton actually. Their blockchain blew up in volume today.
I think, obviously, Ton is going to do really well. They already have a shitload of users.
It's already done.
The Knot coin is like something you should probably consider. This looks like it's bottomed and it's going to run.
Lots of liquidity too.
I would say if you want a good play, you should buy probably the meme coin on here because this thing is probably going to do some stupid shit. Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, Pulsechain is going to be the last chain to run there. But let's be real about it.
Yeah.
100%.
Yep.
That's been the narrative.
This TSFFI coin I bought at like 250 the other day. I mean, this doesn't look too bad, but this is telling me monthly short signal. I don't know, man.
You see, it got on MXC. Pulsechain.
What did Pulsechain? Yeah, it's about fucking time.
I think it got a few assets on there too.
Did it? Well, this coin actually looks super bullish. Do you guys see this? Look at the 3-day MACD on this. I don't know what this coin does. It doesn't really matter, but it's paired against a Tropa. And if you look at it against a Tropa, it's at the fucking bottom. So this is probably going to run while a Tropa does a bunch of nothing burger for a bit. And then once this becomes a sit, like once it gets back up to this range, you know, I think after this doesn't move against a Tropa, they're going to roll this back for a Tropa, and then all the PRCs are going to rip.
Cookies, what up? Can you speaking of cookies, can you look at the LUSD shitcoin?
I'm in that shitcoin too.
Yeah, me too.
I DCA'd it the other day. It actually okay. So the daily, I will tell you right now, is not ready for a reversal just yet.
Okay.
You see how the daily MACD crossed down? We're still building negative momentum. So, but what's going to happen is after you build this negative momentum, we should start to build and see hidden bullish divergence as long as we make higher prices than these lows down here. So that should totally happen. Even if the lows end up happening to come down to here, right?
Right.
I had this plotted here, the top of this range here, because like, well, that would make sense. It broke out and it's going to backtest it, right? Yeah. So you get a break and a backtest. And then after you backtest successfully, you will spring off the backtest and you'll make a rally. And how far that rally goes, I don't know. Depends on the volume. Depends on a lot of different things.
Can you check it out versus DAI? Is about the same story?
Check it out versus DAI. Looks like it's 4 hours bottomed out versus DAI on the RSI. The daily probably has a room. Yeah, the daily went back into neutral territory, but it's making a higher low than these lows here. Okay. So, yeah, it's bouncing right off its range low or right off the area it broke from. It never cleared this range, though, you see. Never cleared this range here.
Versus DAI, yeah.
Yep. So, but if DAI starts doing nothing and LUSD starts getting bids here, that's when you can see LUSD start to outperform DAI.
Yeah. Okay.
But it's at an area where it could start to do it, right? It came back down to backtest this range right here. Right. And I would say that the asset is technically in a flag here versus DAI. I mean, it's overall in a downtrend, but this could be the bottom versus DAI.
Okay. Good shit. Can you look at Teddy Bear?
Teddy. You know what? I think that's on TradingView, right?
Probably.
It's on TradingView now?
Yep. Bear.
Yeah. A lot of these assets are.
Bear. DAI.
Bear
or was it Teddy Bear? There you go. Teddy Bear versus
06, Pulsechain, yeah. Does it have?
It has versus TSFI and it has versus Treasury Bill.
Oh shit! But it doesn't have the PLS pair. That's funny.
No. What's Treasury Bill?
It's a good.
It's another. It's another Atropa coin.
Yeah. Well, it looks bullish against Treasury Bill, I suppose. You want to look at it versus PLS?
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, yeah, you can just look at it.
You know what I could do? I could grab the contract address and do it versus PLS. Check this out. I think I can just do it like this.
You can do that on TradingView now?
Can you grab the pair? Yeah.
I'm trying to do. So.
No.
I need to divide it. So when does the new one start here? Hang on. So this divided by this. Never done this before. Hoping that this works. Oh, right.
Nothing. Yeah, I think I tried that before.
Whatever. I'll just use
Deck screener.
stack screener. Okay. Teddy Bear did have a break,
Yeah.
but really no real follow through on that break, right?
Okay.
That doesn't mean it won't. We didn't get a cross up yet though on the true strength index. You would want to see that cross, dude.
Yep.
And yeah. I mean, you're in the buy zone on the 3-day chart. My only real concern with Teddy Bear is the monthly chart on it. Doesn't really look too good. Yeah. It's like, I would say it's like neutral. But
That's
if
what
it doesn't,
all Pulsechain looks like, though. No.
yeah. But my problem is you see this rounding stuff up here. You see these wicks,
Yeah.
and like how it's not making higher highs, and it's just consolidating here. But if you don't see buying pressure, volume is receding, so there is a potential case for it to start catching bids. It just depends on whoever's market making this token, if they start to do that or not. It doesn't look terrible. I would say that as long as you hold the range, it's fine. The thing is when you start making lower highs like this, like all you've done after you made this big impulse, you had a big correction, you had another impulse to the new high. All you've done since you've made this new high was the same high, a bounce,
Just fighting that ceiling, no?
Yeah, it looks like, I hate to say it, but it looks like some distribution. It doesn't look like accumulation. It doesn't look like accumulation. It looks like distribution. Right? Like it looks like a rounding top. But we'll see, man. Your 3 days telling you it's a buy. It could just be, hey, we come down one more time, and then we just fucking send it, which that could happen. It's still holding the flag on the monthly, right? It hasn't broke the flag. The flag is basically to here, 1341, which is about a 40% drop, I think, right? Yeah. So if sell pressure continues to come in, like, don't be shocked, okay? Because these candles up here aren't telling me like, hey, buying pressure is about to come in. Like if we got a candle that looked like this on the monthly chart, I'd be singing a different tune.
Well, it's picked up like almost double the holders during that time.
Right. Like I said, this movement down isn't really being supported by the volume, meaning there isn't a lot of, like, there's selling happening, but it isn't like a lot of volume. Right?
Yep.
So it could change like that on the dime. Boom. Big volume comes in. I will say this PTGC coin made a fucking rip out of its wedge the other day. And I am pretty upset that I didn't hold this bag. But yeah. This is a pretty textbook setup on the chart. And it technically hasn't broke the super trend yet. But if it does, it's got the room to do it. Again, no real volume came in here, right? Like this isn't a lot of volume. Look at the volume here. I mean, well, this was the volume climax on this move, I guess. But yeah, I mean, this coin looks decent from a technical point of view. Right? 3-day buy signal down here on the RSI. Like it's in the buy zone. Like this is probably a buy. I would say a lot of these coins look like they're buys right here. Aside from maybe the ink token, to be honest, the ink token can probably go down a lot more. Right? No channel break. Nasty breakdown here today. Broke the range finally. I was trying to trade it here when it looked like it was wedging, remember? And I ended up getting out of it because it kept failing, so I just got out of it. And then your monthly chart doesn't really do you much justice here. There's really no support until like $1.20 on this. I mean, yeah, you have this wick low here. If you end up holding the wick, but that's not really a support. That's just a wick. But again, with the volume receding, it can reverse the price action wherever it wants, whenever it wants here. But your daily is not telling you that right now, especially with that fucking $2 million sell candle today. That's a pretty gnarly breakdown candle there. Yeah, Pulsechain sucks.
Yeah. It does at the moment.
My buddy has just been fucking bragging to me about this stupid Andy coin that he's in. He's just fucking making money, dude. Like, this thing's gone.
On Solana?
No, on ETH. He's fucking lit. And then this fucking Apu coin, dude. Like, what the fuck with these stupid memes, man? He bought the fucking dip here. He's up 30% on the dip. I don't know. This actually looks like it's just back testing this breakdown. This is probably going to go down more, if I had to guess. Maybe not. That's a pretty big candle. I don't know. I even told him that this was a reversal candle here. He's like, okay, man. Didn't believe me. And it just petered out and dumped. He's like, dude, how'd you know it was going to dump? I'm like, well, the candle pretty much told you that. 67% drop from that candle, that reversal candle. TA's fake. Yeah, I don't know. Brett, dude, like, what the fuck? Like, these stupid memes. Like, this looks good. Look at Brett. Look at that candle, dude. Like, these are the types of candles we want to see on Pulsechain right now.
Yeah, their community came on Shill Tank a while back.
Dude, this looks crazy, bro. Like, this looks like it's about to fucking do a send like you wouldn't believe.
Yeah, well, ETH's been healthy. What about Mong?
Mong? Are you still in that shit?
No, I really hate getting out of things, so like I've been thinking about getting back in it.
I don't know.
Not
This
right
thing just pumps and dumps. Yeah, I would say it looks good on the weekly. That MACD cross could do something stupid. Yeah, maybe.
Hervé said the NOT coin went from 0.0044 to 16 cents in 4 days.
Yeah, a lot of people got rich off that.
Huh? When the bull comes, we'll all get rich off a bunch of bullshit.
Yeah. This Deso coin looks decent. Decentralized social or whatever. I don't know if this is going to actually take off, but the chart is telling you some things. Right? You know, big breakout. Got rejected here. Coming back down, putting in a candle and a half. That looks like a cup and handle to me.
It's just being gay as fuck today.
Yeah, this looks, I mean, you know, just by looking at technicals, like this looks decent. Right? You got this big cup. You came back down to this major support level, and you're trying to candle out of here. Yeah, this looks like it's it's going to go to new highs. Deso. Look at the fucking squeeze on it. Look at that shit. Yeah. That looks fucking nuts, dude. You got your daily cross up too, right? Confirming that reversal. Yeah, man. I mean, like, this is the stuff that it doesn't matter what the fuck these coins do. It just matters, hey, can I make money off this asset? Sure.
Yeah, I'm not in it for the tech or anything. I'm just here to make some money.
Yeah, everyone's here to make some money. All right, so Mog, yeah, I identified a double bottom on that thing, and I didn't take the trade, and it's gone. Broke the flag, and it's gone. There it is. I even had it charted. Double bottom. I even identified it right here. Broke the flag, broke it, back tested it. See you later. That's it.
What about Beardy? Have you ever looked at charted that one?
This thing went up 300% since this trade was given. What was it called? Beardy?
Bearded Dragon.
Never heard of it. Has decent liquidity. Yeah, I don't know. My problem with these types of setups is like you're stuck in a range, right?
Yeah.
And you just made lower highs, and you're making lower highs. So it's kind of a gamble. You don't know if this is going to actually break. You'd like to see that, right? But
but there's a lot of gains for it to go down.
You don't really know. All right, well, let's look at the MACD. The MACD is telling you
buy.
I wouldn't say it's telling you to buy just yet. I mean, your monthly candle closed green. I don't know. I just have a problem like buying something up here. Like, check this out. You see how the volume is receded?
I bought the first dip.
This dip or this dip?
That dip.
This one?
Somewhere in there, yeah. Because I bought it like 3 months ago, maybe.
Oh, so you're fucking lit. You're like 10x.
Like 8 maybe. I would have to look at my.
So why not take some profit on that, dude?
Because I'm waiting for the bull run, man. Anytime I fucking sell something, it goes, and I'm just like, you know what? Until
my other buddy is talking about this stupid bird dog coin. I don't fucking know, man.
That was gonna be the next one I asked you about.
It's up 50% today.
Oh shit! You hear that, Naked?
Yep, bird dog.
I'm making a little cup.
It did the move. I had it plotted too. At least I had it started to being plotted. It ended up like wedging and making a rectangle bottom and then just reversing. Yeah. When Pulse?
Pulse is waiting for everything else to get money, and then RH is gonna dump on everyone's heads over on the other chain
and inject it.
That's been my thought the whole entire time before the money even started moving, so I'm wondering if it's going to play out.
PDI looks decent here, still. I mean, all the stables look decent. Even the USDC one looks decent. It's the same chart.
Yep.
Yeah, this isn't good though. But this can change. This is the day that opened just now.
Naked bird dog to the moon.
Bird dog. What's this GG404 coin? This thing's been going on nutso.
This Mad Felly's coin.
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck, dude?
Yeah. That would be Mad Fellies.
Double bottom.
Felly's doing some magic over there.
11,000%. No liquidity though.
He's adding it slowly over time, I guess.
I mean, it had 6,000 yesterday. It went up to like 10.
Who's buying this shit?
E&J. I don't know. There's not that many holders, but he's doing his little over-the-counter thing.
Yeah.
Seems to be working, though. I mean, chart doesn't lie, right?
Nope. It's extended. She gonna pull back. Wow. But nobody can sell. There's no liquidity.
No giant holders, yeah.
That's the whole point.
I know.
He's forcing people to fucking play along with this little puppet master game.
Are you guys in this or no?
No.
No.
I didn't even know he'd launched it. He was talking about GZ404. I didn't know that was the fucking idea he was coming up with. So, yeah, we'll see what happens.
I don't think he wanted a bunch of people to jump in on it.
Yeah, he wanted to test it first to make sure everything was...
You can hit him up and ask him about some OTC.
Sure.
Right.
You don't have to worry
Sure.
about your slippage, though.
Sure, I'll take my liquidity.
He'll sell you 10 grand worth if you want it.
I'm sure he will.
Right.
It's paired with P-Dye mainly.
I know. So if P-Dye rips, this thing rips.
Yeah, it'll be very interesting.
But it won't get liquidity, though. How does that work? He's got to add the liquidity from P-Dye. He's got to own the P-Dye.
P-Dye does a 5X, then it's going to have 5X more liquidity,
No, he's got to add it.
Well, the dollar value of it would go up 5X.
Yeah. Well, let's hope P-Dye doesn't fucking dump here. No, I think we're going to be good. I think this thing's about to do ascend.
Man, can 2025 come already?
I'm still in this Neutron coin. Did you guys check this one out?
Dude, I still got Yoshi. What the fuck is that thing done?
I don't know. I got the fuck out of that thing.
Of course. I just bought it. I'm holding it. I still got that fucking, what is that, melon token? I wonder how that's doing. I haven't been looking at shit
I mean,
lately.
Yoshi, I think Yoshi will maybe do something once Phantom really does something. But this doesn't look good, dude. Like, it broke out and then just meet lower high and looks like poop. Kind of looks like Solar. Solar looks like shit, too. I'm still holding that fucking piece of shit. Actually, I get my stake release today. This thing fucking sucks. Yeah.
How does it look like Moon River, or is Moon River the one?
It looks, yeah. I mean, it looks pretty much identical to what Moon River is doing, which is nothing.
Yeah. So I mean, it's hard for something on a chain to do well when the chain's just chilling.
Yeah.
That's why Pulsechain's doing what it's doing.
Nasty monthly candle too here.
Oof.
I don't know, dude. Did get a monthly bullish cross. Well, HA candles didn't cross, but regular candles did. I don't know.
Could
Maybe.
just make a little breakout. Who knows?
Maybe it's consolidating here. Maybe. I don't know. The 3-day doesn't look too good. Maybe it's gonna come. Looks like it's gonna come back down and retest this low. But the volume is completely receded, man. So yeah, something either A, it's gonna get one more spring off this low, and then go, or it's just gonna like just go to shit. one of the two.
I hope for A.
I hope too, because my father-in-law owns a bag of this too.
Nothing in 6 months won't solve.
I hope, buddy. KSM also looks like trash.
Oh, what about Klima?
Klima actually looks good. I would argue that Klima is going to make a run. Right? Like this thing, look at the weekly. Bullish engulfing candle.
I need to buy some more of it.
Looks like a buy. How'd that monthly candle close? Yeah, I mean, it didn't quite close above the $3 region, but I would still say it's flagging up here. I wouldn't say it's bearish. Right? Like it's still low risk down here. Look. Look at the volume too. I think that this is going to run this cycle. What do you guys think about the GME meme coin? You think this is going to run again? Only if GME actually runs. This
Which
actually
one? Is this on
GameStop.
Ethereum or Solana?
This is on. I think this is on Solana or something.
I mean, they have one on every chain. I think the Solana one did real well.
Yeah, I mean, this looks like it's in a squeeze too. This looks like it's about to fucking do a send.
How's the real GME doing?
I think it's actually not doing bad. Wow, did you guys just see that candle populate? That was crazy. You saw that, right?
Yeah.
GME closed a good candle on Friday. The monthly candle closed. I would still say this is a huge bullish engulfing candle. I mean, on the monthly time frame, I would say it's bullish. That's a breakout.
Yeah, that's a huge breakout.
That's a breakout.
It's a little retest.
I mean, that's a falling wedge breakout on a monthly time frame with a squeeze broke. Yeah, dude, GameStop's going to the fucking moon, man. I mean, yeah, you got this nasty rejection. But look what you just did, though. You got that nasty rejection. This was the breakout, and then this was the back test. And now you're pivoting here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to rally.
You can see that in the monthly candle. That was like...
Yeah, you're going to fucking rally here. Look at the 4 hour. Tomorrow or Monday or whatever, this thing looks like it's just going to fucking rip right back up to $70. So the GameStop memes are going to go nuts if that happens.
All right, I'm bringing money over to Solana again. I'm going to go buy some GME over there.
I bought some. I put like a
Nice.
G in it. I put a G in it just for shits. Because, like, I mean, let's be real, dude. The top of the wedge is like $120. And what happens if it ends up breaking the top? There ain't shit up there. They're gonna squeeze the fucking shit out of this thing, dude. You'll see. They're gonna send this thing, man. They're gonna send it. Maybe to like $200. That's a monthly buy signal. Is what that is. Crossing the 50 line, crossing the bullish territory. You haven't crossed the bullish territory since September 1st of 2020 on this asset. And we all know what happened after that.
Yeah. They made fucking
the chart doesn't
show
lie.
after show about it.
The chart doesn't lie. The chart is telling you something really massive happening here at GameStop. So I think the GameStop memes are going to play out.
Yeah,
Maybe I should roll some more money into the GameStop memes. Because like those could probably do like 50x, 100x. Easy. Like that wouldn't even be a thing.
Yeah,
that wouldn't even be a thing. That'd be like, okay, we're at 20 million cap, we're gonna go to 100 mil. or whatever, a bill. It would just happen overnight. Boom.
I wish I remember that. I fucking looked at a coin the other day and I was like, all right, I'll remember that.
Oh, man. Let's see. I got out of this X swap coin. It fucking sucks dick.
Dude, Pepe's been killing it. I bought a bunch of Pepe.
I'm in no meme coins, man. I'm just.
I was buying Pepe for the last 2 years. The last year or so.
All my assets suck. Flow sucks. Fucking KSM sucks. Fucking everything I own sucks right now. I don't know. Pulsechain sucks.
Whatever happened to that Slurf coin? Is that thing fucking...
Look, these are all the Pulsechain coins. I have them all added here. Oh, they discontinued some of these. But these are all the Pulsechain coins that they have on TradingView right now.
Do you have to like ask TradingView to add a chart? Is that how it works?
No, they just add the feeds. So let's see.
But they have to do it like we.
What's wrapped BTC versus growth BTC is up 33%. The fuck is that?
I was gonna say, what the fuck's growth BTC?
I don't know. What's PRS? What's this? Pulse reflection.
Pulse reflection.
Yeah, that's up.
Oh, I think that was the coin I was looking at.
Yeah, but you don't want to own a reflection token, do you?
I don't normally buy them, but I was seeing where it was at, and I was like, I don't know, maybe this thing gets some fucking traction again.
It looks like it's gonna run. Just
it just out in Pulse.
It just looks like it made a double bottom. It could go all the way back. That's a 3,000% move, man. That's a 300x.
I know that. I think that was the coin I went across, and that was the one I was literally just talking about. I was like, oh, I'll remember this. I'll buy some.
Chart looks good. Chart looks good.
I fucking hate reflecting. About to cross.
Yep. How's that weekly chart look? The weekly. Yeah, the weekly gave you a buy signal. Basically. It's a 3-day chart. Daily giving you a buy signal too. Here. Off the low. Yeah, I mean, if this low holds, there's no reason why. I mean, it's really easy to strategize your risk here, right? Like, okay, gets rejected. You know, you just have a mental stop loss here.
How much tax does that stupid coin have? I never bought in that one.
I don't know. How do you even buy it? I guess you gotta
on Pulsechain.
PRS. I should maybe roll my wrap Bitcoin for it. This thing fucking sucks.
There's only 13K in liquidity in this pool. Or 26, excuse me.
You can't even buy a lot of this shit.
2% of the rewards goes to holders. How much tax is on it? 2% goes to holders.
Oh, yeah. Look, I even had this chart. I even gave a range where it's going to go to. It broke the trend line. Yeah. Somebody must have asked me about this coin. But yeah, I think it's bottomed out now.
It's got 3% tax on every buy and sell.
This is a massive wedge pattern.
It's not that bad of a tax.
Looks good down here. Looks good down here. If that low holds, man, that's a spring and a back test of spring.
What up? Oh shit!
You get 20 trillion for about 50 million pulls.
Maybe a channel on this. Yeah, maybe a channel on this. But if this goes up, then doesn't like the whole rest of the ecosystem go up with it? Or this is a really small cap. I feel like putting like a G into this coin is probably worth it. I don't know.
I'd say so. I'm probably going to do that. Better than the fucking
Oh my god!
voodoo ball coins.
Look at it versus Pulse down here. Woo, wrecked. This thing went nuts.
Yeah, I was really pissed I didn't get into it. I just don't buy reflection coins.
This thing did a fucking 3,000% move.
Yeah,
Holy
I know.
shit.
I was like, how the fuck?
Wow.
What's this troll supply?
Looks like there's billions of tokens.
Oh, there's got to be trillions. He's like by $1 trillion, 2 trillion right now, no problem. Only 5 million.
How do they pump this coin?
I have no clue.
How did it do a 3,000x?
It's only got 2,000 holders right now, too. $100,000 million billion. It's only 1.555 trillion.
I mean, if it repeats the same thing, this does look like a big cup.
Did I miscount this? 100,000 million. Oh no, that's 1.9 billion.
My question is, how the fuck are we going to get out of it? If we buy a bag, like if I put 2 G's into this thing down here, how the hell am I going to get out of it?
Well, if it goes up that much, you got 26K liquidity getting multiplied by whatever it goes up with Pulse and.
But who's buying it?
I don't know. Hopefully, people after us. I don't know who they are.
Yeah,
dude, people just see green candle. They're like, I buy, and they just follow. And like they just line up like flies to a fucking light.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, I was looking at this chart like a week or two ago. I don't know how I came across it, and I was like, I should just throw a little bit of money at this fucking thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna roll something into it.
Might just start DCAing $100 every like other day.
I'm just gonna rip it. Fuck it. Like what?
I know you and Sheep like just throw money at things.
Well, I mean, this to me looks really good.
Like it could take off. Yeah. No, I hear you.
It's a break and a back test, and you got a continuation on it today.
I think I saw it right before it broke out. I was like, this coin looks pretty promising right now.
I mean, dude, top of the wedge is a 3,000%, even if it does half the move. That's a significant trade, man. That's a 5x.
What about PLD? It's
PLD.
like Pulse Doge. Pulse Doge. Is it PLD?
Yeah.
They had it on that flyer. Yeah, Pulse Doge. They had it on the flyer.
Looks maybe bottomed out. No breakout though.
I haven't looked at the chart.
No break. I'm gonna buy that PRS coin though. That looks good.
they got a coin called Pliff. Doge with weed. Or dog with weed. It's got a dog with that with a joint in its mouth.
Huh.
$142 in liquidity.
Whatever happened to that what's that called? The coin?
Voodoo balls? It's just sucking balls.
Hmm.
Come on, Nagabo, fucking pump your coin, dude. Talk about it. Stream. Post about it. Oh, it's up to the people. You launch something, you don't even promote it.
No, he did. He launched a new meme coin or something. Or he's launched
Another one? Because the
Yeah.
other one's so well. What is it, the Magic 8
Yeah,
Ball?
so he's launching a new one. And then he's moving to Vegas.
The crystal meth ball? Crystal meth pipe?
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing really bad about this chart. This looks like a big bull flag.
I mean, it can't really get fucked too much more. I mean, that's the main thing. I saw it and I was thinking of cookies.
It's low risk down here, that's for sure.
Yeah.
If it is going to do something, this is where it should do something. So
Within the next couple weeks, if not sooner.
no, it could take a couple months to play out.
Yeah. What about P. Inu? P. Inu is one that did like crazy X's when Pulsechain first came out.
What's this grow coin, man? Everyone keeps talking about this stupid grow coin. Looks like it topped out. Actually, this actually looks not bad. Wow.
All right, it's getting gay. My internet's fucking up, so I'm gonna get off here. Just go ahead. All right, thanks for coming, and thanks for everybody showing up. Let's get those games on the Pulsechain. See you tomorrow.
What's up, OG Hexer Games? It's Blacksheep and I'm back again. I've come to rock you back and forth and up and down and out the door for sure. I'm chilling with the DJ protocol. We come to represent and we don't give a shit, cause we're fucking rich on the Pulsechain. You know we're stacking up our games on the Pulsechain. We got the hookers and cocaines on the Pulsechain. You know we don't give a shit, in the words of Magaboo. Jackpot, bitch! Richard Hardy's such a pimp, I just wanna be like him. Give me some hotties and a Rolex Calamari and a super hot Ferrari. I'm sorry if I'm a little offensive, but Pulsechain coming through and gonna make us rich on the Pulsechain. You know we're stacking up our games on the Pulsechain. We got the hookers and cocaines on the Pulsechain. You know we don't give a shit, in the words of Magaboo. Jackpot, bitch! On the Pulsechain. You know we're stacking up our games on the Pulsechain. We got the hookers and cocaines on the Pulsechain. You know we don't give a shit, in the words of Magaboo. Jackpot, bitch!
That's the black sheep token. That's the token I care the least about.
You ain't gonna play hide and pickle with me, PCM.
All right, that's enough of that.
Me took them balls.
Fuck you, bitch! Eat a dick!
Fucking right in the pussy.